how to customize your badges, and much more on badges.com. Let's begin. Start by choosing the fastener of your choice among several options like badges, fridge magnets, etc. and then hit Personalize. Once the Badges customizer loads, you'll notice the top has several artwork adjustment options, the canvas in the middle, and once you scroll down, we have several options related to your product, text, images, QR code, background colors, layers, as well as your designs. Let's start by first selecting the image option. Click on Upload Image. Choose between your gallery, camera, or files and pick the image for your design. Scroll up to see the image load onto your canvas. Once the image loads, you'll have 4 options: duplicate, rotate, delete, and resize. Adjust the size of your image onto the canvas, keeping in mind that everything outside of the black dashed line will get cut and not appear on the actual badge. Scroll down and then select the text option. Type in your desired text. You can choose between several options like basic formatting, fonts, font sizes, colors, etc. for your text to look its best. In this example, we'll use the type effect option called Reverse. This effect works best for the text that you'd like to appear on the lower half of the badge. We can do this by simply adjusting the radius and spacing so that it best matches the bottom curve. Let's scroll up to see how the text looks on the badge. Feel free to move the text and image around as you'd like, and always review your final design before placing your order. After seeing its preview, you can scroll down and add to cart. Tick the box after reading the terms and conditions and hit confirm to process your design. Please note, the time of upload may vary depending on your image file size. Once uploaded, click on confirm to view your cart. Adjust your quantity if required, continue shopping, update your cart, or proceed to checkout. It's that simple. Happy shopping at badges.com.